Hey everybody, this is Ryan. I'm not sure if you can see me. You might not be able to see me, but maybe you can, because this here is some creepy white cloth that coincidentally, I wasn't sure if it would, but coincidentally glows in the dark. This company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you do one of your super cool, spooky reviews on our here white creepy cloth? Who am I to say no, but no way whatsoever it will affect this review positively or negatively, because you know what I do? I'm here to keep it real. So real quick, this is some creepy cloth. Now you can use it for Halloween, which I think most people might, or you can use it for some kind of crazy decorations. I don't know what you're gonna use it for. More than likely it's gonna be for the, I'm gonna say the holiday Halloween season. Now, this right here is a black light. It is not included in this. You just get, and I say just, complimentary speaking, you just get this white creepy cloth. Gotta get your own black light. Now, what all do you get? Well, you get this massive, let me share with you, let me flip the camera around and show you how much of this creepy cloth you get. But real quick before I do that, let me give you a little close-up here. I mean, this is like, some would call this like cheesecloth. It's very similar to a cheesecloth type material. And but it's very long, and you can hang it up and make it as spooky as you want. Check this out. So you can see here is the cloth. Quite it is a mass. I had to put it down on the ground against a black background so you can see just how long this is. It is quite long. You can see we are in the holiday Halloween spirit here. We got our LED lights flickering here, try to give a little spooky-esque vibe going on here. But want to give you a close-up of this. So it's like string netting that you can kind of manipulate and do a whole bunch of crazy stuff with. Very, very cool. If you've never decorated for Halloween before, this is a good time and a good product to use. You got, I would say, I mean, that's like, I don't know, like 50 feet. I mean, it is a long, and it's about, width-wise, you're looking at probably 3 feet wide by 50 feet long. I mean, it just goes on for days here. Very cool products. Sometimes these come in little shorter things. When you have one long strand though like this, it really allows you to cater to whatever your ambiance is for the old spooky season. And so if you're looking for something that is this tight material, looking for something that glows in the dark, then this just might be the Halloween spooky netting for you. And hopefully that might answer any and all questions you might have. I will say, side note, that this is not something you would want to wash and dry. This is something you could use inside or outside, but just knowing that you could use it year after year as long as you take care of it. But I would not, I definitely would not wash it and dry it because of how it's made. It will fall apart because it's meant to look creepy. It's meant to look kind of creepy. Hope this helps, and we'll talk to you soon.